Hello and welcome. My name is Blessyn Kure and today is the first day of the National Ploughing Championships. I am here in Tullamore in County Offaly to experience this. This is my first time at the Ploughing Championships. I heard about it, and as someone who loves tractors and just like how cool they are, I think I had to be here. I definitely had to be here. I also love sheep and goats, and it promises to have all the wonderful livestock. This is the biggest festival of agriculture in Europe, so it's definitely something to be in or to experience. Last year there were 75,000 people here in attendance on the first day, an accumulative total of over 250,000 people. And this year, well, we're yet to see what the numbers are, but I think it's definitely going to be more than 75,000, judging by the number of cars I passed when coming here. Oh, and talking about coming here, the drive from Dublin is about an hour, 10 minutes or thereabout. If you're taking the train, the distance is definitely different, but there's also free transportation from the train stations down here, so if it's something you're considering doing, definitely do. I am pretty excited. I can smell the food from here, as well as the livestock and life and just the earthiness, which I don't mind, so come with me to experience this. Thank you. Don't fall down. The sheep is looking at me dead in the eye.
I'm going to invite our good friend from Nigeria up onto the stage. I know she's going to do a bit of shearing and she's going to be videoed as well, so she wants to video some shearing. Testing 1, 2. So all the way from Nigeria?
I live in Dublin though.
But you live in Dublin now?
Yeah.
Very welcome here to the Ploughing 2025.
Thank you.
And you're enjoying your day?
I'm having a great day.
So how do you like Dublin?
It's grand, and I love that the sun is out today.
Very good.
Yep.
So how long are you in Dublin?
Over 2 years.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
But all the way from Nigeria originally?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yep.
So you're going to want to do a little bit of shearing.
Excited about it?
I'll be taking out the sheep and
Okay.
I'll just talk about what we do as we go along.
Okay.
I'm just on the last side then, and I'll let you, and you can video the sheep as a shearing if you want as well.
Okay, thank you. That's quite scary.
So different sheep out this time, out in the same position all the time. And of course this is how we know the age of the sheep here with their teeth as well. The sheep is just 2 years old and got 4 permanent teeth. When the 3-year-old has 8 permanent teeth, and when the 4-year-old the 4 or 8 permanent teeth up at 4 years old, and that's all they can get. Now we start off shearing up here on top of the brisket. Take off the belly wool first around the good shearing into the first hind leg. To do that I must put her right in the first hind leg here. The right hand hind leg just out behind my hip. So we start off here, just on top of the brisket. Clean off the belly wool first. And the belly wool just gone out to one side. Right around the clutch area. Moving the sheep slightly around into the first hind leg. Up and around the back of the head. Moving the sheep slightly around.
Oh.
Stepping back to the left foot. Now we have a good friend from Nigeria. Come on, give her another warm welcome. She's going to shear our first sheep. So we get to just around to this side.
Okay.
And did you tell me you have done this before?
No.
No, you're very definite on that.
I'm very sure.
Very sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you just hold it here,
Okay.
and we just go down on the sheep skin here like that,
Okay.
and we just go along nice and easy. And you can finish off this sheep now.
I'm not sure I can.
Oh, you can. We're very nearly there. Another little bit here. And just have a look out that way as well. You see what's out there?
Yeah.
You're really on camera now. Just a little here. You are just a little small bit left.
Oh.
And we've got there. Come on, put your hands together first.
Thank you.
So what was your experience like your first time ever to shear a sheep?
Very scary.
Bit scary.
A bit scary. They're a lot bigger than I
Now
thought.
you know the lamb in the wool, that's one of the great ingredients. It's the only thing that can keep you warm in winter, cool in summer.
this is so
Very, very good for your hands.
Yeah.
And the lamb in the wool is one of the basic ingredients in all lipsticks as well, or most lipsticks.
Oh,
So
now I know.
Very educational day as well.
Very educational. Thank
Enjoy
you.
your day at the ploughing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much.
But to us, he wasn't a statistic, he was our father. So we
Okay.
provide
Thank you so
counsel and
much.
support, financial, legal advice for families.
I have done number 1 on my list, which is sharing the sheep, and the next thing would definitely be to find the tractor and be able to hitch a ride on it. I think I found the tractors. I finally got to see the tractor.
National Ploughing Championships in Offaly.
Block 2, row 9, stand 197.
I just saw this robot mower and I think it's great that we're finally putting AI to good use. So yes, in case you're tired of mowing the lawn, get that. I'm heading to TikTok shop to see what's in there, and then from TikTok shop I'm going back to the plows to see if they will let me ride on a tractor. I'm not giving up hope. So I found TikTok shop and I don't actually know what's going on inside there. The queue is endless. I would have gone in, but Oh, I think they're live streaming. I'm not touching anything. I'm so happy I finally got my tractor work. As soon as the ploughing was done, I was able to get the tractor to get into. I got into the one from Lee, so shout out to WK Shore. That's all I saw on the tractor, and for letting me use the tractor to take pictures. And the judging is still ongoing. They judge on the straightness of the line and the quality of the plows and all the other bits that I would totally not understand. But it was a very nice experience, and you should definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a fantastic experience here at the Ploughing Championship. The weather has been kind to us today. It was very sunny, so I'm very happy that I didn't get drenched, but it's definitely worth coming with a raincoat as well as boots or wellies or anything that's waterproof and pretty high so you don't get drenched. I think each of the trucks are categorized based on their counties because they will have stickers saying like County Carlow, Louth, Portlaoise, Donegal and all the other bits, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I'm happy. Now I'm off to tell everyone that I shared a sheep today. So thank you. Oh, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. It's Blessyn Kure across all platforms. Drop a comment, drop a like. Bye-bye.